So now let's see how we can work around with front faces and back faces inside of SketchUp. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and then let's say, for example, draw a shape, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this out right here. So whatever you see right here are the front faces. So everything is white, as you can see right here. But if I were to go ahead and delete off this face, then you can actually see that it's purple inside, because I have actually set the back face as purple. If you want to go ahead and change the color of the front face and back face, then what you can actually do is you can go around over here onto window and then go around onto default tray and then go to styles. So over here you can see under edit, you got the front face color and the back face color. So over here in front face, let's say I'm going to choose yellow. So you can see that the front face is yellow now. And I can go ahead and choose back face color right here. Like for example, I can go ahead and select out orange, let's say for example, and that is the back face right here, just like this. So sometimes you may actually change around the direction of faces. So let's say, for example, if you want to go ahead and change the direction of this face, then all you need to do is you can go ahead and right click, and then you can go around over here onto let's say, for example, reverse faces right here. And now you can see that this becomes the back face and this becomes the front face right here, just like this. So now what happens is that whenever you actually go ahead and work around with this, sometimes your model may be actually be reversed, and the front face may have been reversed and so forth. So you do want to make sure to ensure that there's no render errors, that front face and back face is selected out and arranged out accordingly. So this is how you can actually go ahead right here and then work around with this. So if I were to go around over here onto styles as well, you can see that I can go around onto color sets, and depending on like different templates you have, you can see that they have different colors for the front face and back face right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here, you can see that for some of them it's not front face and back face, but if I were to go around over here just like this onto let's say for example default style, the front face is white while the back face is blue, as you can see right here. So let's just go around over here onto color sets, which actually distinctively shows the front face and the back face color right here, right around over here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the face of the face front and back inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe